What's going on, guys? Rashard D here with Double O Level, and we're going to be taking a look at this nightstand. This is going to be a LED nightstand with 3 drawers that you can use in your bedroom, in your office, wherever you like in your space. Usually I would unbox the product, showcase it right here, but this is going to be a little bit bigger than usual. So what we're going to do, we're going to do a time lapse, put this thing together, and you'll see the way it looks. Now, some of the features that this also has is it's a glass top. It also has USB-C for charging and wireless charging built in. So those are some of the features. Once it's together, you'll be able to see that. So let's go ahead and get this open. All right, after a few minutes of putting this together, it's all complete. Now I have to say that this is one of the coolest desk tables that I've ever had. Just check out the RGB on here. It is flowing so amazing. The glass top looks really cool. The wireless charging on here is in here really nice. You can actually control the color of the table on the top, which is super dope. Just check that out. You also have your USB-C and you have a USB-A on here. And there are drawers with enough space to put your items in there. You also have this middle space here so you can put some items there if you want. Other than that, like I said, you have 24 different color options on here. It does come with a remote. So if you want to change up the modes, you can cycle through the colors. Then we also have dynamic. Look at that. So you have a variety of options on here as far as color choices, which is really cool. This is a nice size side desk as well. And other than that, that's about it. This does come in different colors, so make sure you check out the options so you get the right color that fits your space. And other than that, hopefully the information that I gave you helps make your decision. If you have any questions, comments, make sure you leave them in the comment section. And once again, I'm Rashard D with Double O Level, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.